How to turn off the sync across clients on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to turn off the sync across clients on Discord, here is the step by step guide. So, without any ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of Discord application installed. After that, launch the application and log in. Now, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right and then go to the settings by tapping on the gear icon. This is on the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the option of chats. Once you have found the app settings, you will see the chat option. Tap on this arrow and you will see this option. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will see the option of sync across clients. Toggle off the option, and this way you have successfully disabled the sync across client feature on Discord. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.